Hi guys, today we talk about how can you select video autoplay on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on App Store, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Click here on video autoplay, just click on it. And here can you select your video autoplay here. So if you want to add on or Wi-Fi only or off. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.